To clear cache on Mozilla Firefox, start by opening the menu in the top right corner. There, simply click Settings. Now, let's navigate to the Privacy and Security tab. Scrolling a bit down, you'll see the Cookies and Side Data section. Clicking on the Clear Data button here will allow you to clear cookies and side data as well as cached web content. Another way to clear your browser's cache is by opening the same menu as before, but this time clicking on History and then Clear Recent History. Select your preferred time range and make sure only the cache option is ticked. To automatically clear your browser's cache, return to the Privacy and Security tab in your browser settings, and in the History section, check the Clear History when Firefox closes box. Clicking on the Settings button next to it will allow you to select Cache. Hope you found this video helpful. Best of luck in your online journey.